see today, Sahaban Polo Club. And during the evening, we'll be also announcing the really fun special prizes for the lovely people in the crowd. Audience to be seated as the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Vidyasagar Rao, will be arriving shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen, just for your 1, 2, 3, 4, not bad, not bad. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm going to show you how easily it's done. Shamsher Ali, would you kindly come up here, please? Shamsher Ali. Ladies and gentlemen, Shamsher Ali, the highest handicap player of India, a +6 handicap player. In the game of polo, polo starts at -2, being the novice and amateurs, to +10. The highest handicap effortless polo is. Shamsher, take it away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Shamsher Ali. Unbelievable, Shamsher. He hasn't finished, ladies and gentlemen. The winner of Bigg Boss who actually won everyone's hearts. There he is, ladies.
I'm having such a hard time keeping my hat on, quite literally, that I haven't been able to look around too much. But honestly, everyone is looking stunning. I think everyone who knows me knows that I'm not very good at judging who's looking better or worse. But I think it's really a day of high fashion. I can see some really cool outfits, and I have a TV show which is all about parenting and families and fun things to do with kids. So I actually think that riding is something that we should really promote. I think the Amateur Riders Club really should be, out there, and it should be a sport that all kids are brought to play. I have to say, polo, I just saw, we witnessed some unbelievable stuff out there, and as I said, it's hard enough keeping my hat on, so I don't think I'm going to comment much, but I'm
Shri VCH Vidyasagar Rao, the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. I request you all to kindly take your seats, relax it down. The Honorable Governor will be here to commence the game, and we will have some spectacular polo, India versus Argentina. Farah, Rashmi, I request you to kindly join me up there just for the introductions, and thereafter we can commence the game.
Maybe we can have a little Q&A with him later. How about that? Is he on for that? Will he allow us? All right. I also see Mr. Cyrus Poonawala. Are you about to throw us a huge party dinner for Nowruz? Why not? All right. There. See? I can ask anybody anything.
Thank you, Rashmi. Just to let you know that the event will commence with a flag hoisting by 10:20. I'm not too sure if any of you have actually seen that before, but we will have the Indian flag as well as the Argentinian flag hoisted by 10:20. Thereafter, we will have the national anthems for both the countries. To kindly present themselves in front of the grandstand, the Honorable Governor will be joining us within the next few seconds. Kindly join us in front of the grandstand, please. Rashmi, to you.
Hey guys, we getting ready here taking selfies, which we have to have. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in welcome of Maharashtra Shri Vidyasagar Rao. We welcome you, sir, to our polo event. We're very proud, Yes Bang International Polo Club.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, and also giving a shout out to our very hard committee members, Mr. Suresh Tapuria, President. Mr. Prakash Mehta, Honorary Secretary.
Okay, can we start? Please, we got to
Mr.
start the program. Come
Jindal,
on.
Polo Chairman.
Please allow us.
And a lovely pickup by Yusuf on a flat out gallop. And he picks up. Beautiful pickup by Pranay. Ladies and gentlemen, both the flags just about going up. India and Argentina. That's what this game is all about. The players from Argentina. And it is once again Dhruv Pal. No, that is Shamsher Ali. Here, doesn't quite connect with that bouncing ball. It is once again Dinya Madan and it is Dhruv Pal Gudara. Dhruv Pal Gudara flicks, clicks, keeps the ball in check. Dhruv Pal Gudara following his own line. He has the ball with him. Dhruv Pal Gudara takes a lovely long shot in front. And Shamsher Ali comes from behind, picks up the loose ball for Team India. This could be dangerous for Team Argentina. Shamsher Ali with the... Here's the game. Beautiful shot by Marcelo. He moved the ball out of harm's way, away for his own goal mark. And the umpires once again blowing the whistle. Takes a beautiful shot, lovely shot by Henry, right up to Juan Pablo. Juan Pablo on a very quick pony, right up front, take position number one. Juan Pablo has the ball with him. Juan Pablo with the ball. Will he score for Team Argentina? Juan Pablo with the ball, cuts the ball, not quite going the direction he wants it. It seems to be going towards the back line. This could be a missed opportunity, and it indeed is. Juan Pablo didn't... Team Argentina, ladies and gentlemen, in the white, just scoring the last goal, neutralizing the game, 1 goal apiece. Team India in the blue jerseys, also 1 goal apiece. Both teams under tremendous pressure right now. They're both fighting for their country's honor. Team India has a lot more to lose because they are the contenders, they are the retaining champions. Team Argentina are the challengers. And the ball back in play. It is once again Shamsher Ali. Notice Dhruv Pal Gudara. But it is once again Dinya Madan. Dinya Madan comes from behind. He's hooked out there by Marcelo. Ball line loose. Shamsher Ali comes from behind. Picks up the loose ball. Shamsher Ali, he's all alone. He's looking for the forwards. Will he be able to go with the ball or will he hit the ball to the goal mouth? Shamsher Ali takes a lovely out of the next shot and he makes no mistake for Team India. Ladies and gentlemen, Team India scoring yet another goal, taking them 2-1. Beautifully. He is the highest handicap player in Team India right now, a plus 6 handicap player, the highest in the country. I'm sure you're going to hear a lot of Dhruv Pal Gudara. He's quiet for the moment, as is Salim Azmi. You're going to hear a lot about these people. Benjamin Araya, Marcelo Araya, Juan Pablo, Jose Miles, Dinya Madan, all about just about getting back in the game. The ball's lying in the melee out there, and Enrique with the ball, but it is Shamsher Ali comes from behind and once again steals the ball away from Juan Pablo, and it is Benjamin Araya. Fortunately, a missed opportunity by Shamsher Ali. Beautiful play out there. Shamsher Ali was absolutely challenged right from the center, right to the far right. Long lofted shot. Enrique is on his line right now, and there is once again Salim Azmi. Salim and Benjamin Araya with that ball. It is once again Shamsher Ali. Marcelo going for the ball. Lovely long shot by Marcelo out there up to Benjamin. It's Benjamin and Marcelo, but it's Salim Azmi. Ladies and gentlemen, for all these young players. That Salim Azmi has the ball with him. He has control of the game right now. Salim Azmi doesn't quite connect the loose ball. Leaves it for Dinya Madan, but it is once again Marcelo who backs the ball out towards the side and out of play. Beautiful play out there by Salim Azmi, being supported by Dinya Madan. Benjamin had the ball with him earlier, left it for Marcelo. Marcelo had the ball, backed the ball out of play, and the umpires blew the whistle. Players just about lining up on their respective sides once again. Uday Kalan rolls the ball back through the players. It is Benaman with the ball. He's tackling, he's dribbling the ball, he's looking for his forwards, he's asking for a foul, not being obliged, puts the ball right up to Juan Pablo and Dinya Madan. Juan Pablo gets the better of Dinya Madan, not quite out there, but it is Dhruv Pal Gudara checks his pony, taps, turns, keeps the ball in check. Dhruv Pal Gudara out there, takes a long shot on the ground, right up to Shamsher Ali. Shamsher Ali and Benaman going for the ball. Shamsher Ali gets the better of Benaman. Shamsher Ali picks up the bouncing ball. It is Shamsher Ali for Team India. Ladies and gentlemen, Shamsher Ali with the bouncing ball. Shamsher Ali for Team India. Will he be able to score? It is Shamsher Ali, ladies and gentlemen. The red flag going up. Team India taking themselves yet another goal. 3-1. Beautiful horsemanship and riding by Shamsher Ali, ladies and gentlemen. He is the highest handicap player out there. Dhruv Pal Gudara gave him a beautiful pass. Pass the ball right up to Shamsher. Benjamin out there is fighting hard with Shamsher. Shamsher Ali getting the better of Benjamin and scoring yet another goal for Team India. Team India right now romping away 3 goals to 1 against Shamsher Ali, picking up the ball on the near side, then changing the offside, and a lovely long shot by Shamsher Ali. Shamsher Ali takes that long shot right up to Dhruvpal Godara. It's Dhruvpal Godara. Dhruvpal not quite connecting with that bouncing ball, and it is once again Marcelo who backs the ball. Salim Azmi, and once again Juan Pablo. Salim Azmi backs the ball. First to turn is Shamsher Ali. Shamsher Ali picks up the ball, and unfortunately also picks up the umpire's whistle. A lot of synergy out there between Dhruvpal Godara and Shamsher Ali out there. They're hitting the ball, they're taking their own shot, they're tapping, they're turning. I'm confused out here. Rashmi, you tell me more about the game, more about these players. Who do you think is going to win right now? I know India's in the lead, but what do you think Argentina's going to do? Another goal here has gone 4 goals to 1. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Team India in the blue and Team Argentina in the white. Uday Kalan asking the players to line up at their respective sides. And throws the ball in, rolls the ball in, the ball back in play. It is Benjamin and Marcelo. Marcelo picks up the ball, but it is Shamsher Ali for Team India once again. Shamsher Ali takes a long shot. Shamsher Ali is India's best player, ladies and gentlemen, and reasons best known to all of you out there and why. It is Shamsher Ali not quite connecting with the ball where he wanted to. A missed opportunity for Shamsher. A beautiful shot indeed. And it is an opportunity that Team Argentina. It is Shamsher Ali waiting for Marcelo Araya, not letting him hit that shot. And Marcelo Araya releases that ball right up to Juan Pablo, I know it is Henry Miles out there, but it's Salim Azmi picking up the ball. Dhruvpal Godara has the ball on his near side. Dhruvpal Godara picks up the ball. Benjamin Araya being supported by Marcelo, Juan Pablo, and Enrique Jose, making no mistake, scoring yet another goal, taking their team 2 goals to 4. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the underdogs, Team Argentina, the challengers, challenging Team India. They've come back to play a lovely trophy, the tournament. They want to make sure they go back with the silver this time. Henry Miles, not happy out there, leaves the ball once again. It's Henry Miles. Marcelo had the ball, he's taking a foul. Marcelo picks up the ball, promoting to Henry Miles out there, but it is Shamsher Ali with the ball out there. Shamsher, it is once again Henry Miles takes a lovely shot. This seems to going towards the goal mouth. Will he be able to convert? And a little towards the sideline. A beautiful shot out there by Henry, not quite connecting with the ball where he wanted to. Rolls towards the sideline and out of play. Comes on the outside, backs the ball for Team Argentina. It is once again Benjamin, Dhruvpal Godara and Shamsher Ali. Shamsher Ali comes from behind, takes a lovely long lofted shot. Shamsher Ali, the one-man decimating man for Team India. Shamsher Ali with that ball. Shamsher Ali claiming a foul, not being obliged. And it is Benjamin comes from behind, moves the ball out of harm's way. Marcelo leaves it for Enrique. Enrique has the ball, moves the ball near side up to Benjamin and Enrique. It is once again Benjamin has the ball, no, leaves it for Enrique. Enrique with the ball out there, and it's Dhruvpal Godara comes from the side to bang and take Enrique off the line. Juan Pablo and Enrique Miles. The Honorable Governor Maharashtra. And the play just about commencing. Yeah, 4 goals. Marcelo Araya, who steered up the ball, the penalty 5B from the center of the looking at Parvati, but posing foul. All the photographers, ladies and gentlemen, you will be seen on every newspaper and magazine tomorrow. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Parvati's attention being drawn by all these young gentlemen. I don't blame them. Even the players are looking at her, but unfortunately they still got to play. It is Dhruvpal Godara. The ball, none of his forwards out there where he wants to pass them to. He manages to retain the ball, keeps the ball with him. Dhruvpal Godara still looking for the forwards. I'm sure he's going to take a long shot this time. No, he taps the ball, runs on his own line. Dhruvpal Godara with the ball. Marcelo going for the ball, not quite connecting. Marcelo picks up the lead for Team Argentina. I'm not too sure. The referee says, let me ask the referee what his opinion is. Samir Sohag. That is Dhruvpal Godara comes again, promotes the ball to Shamsher Ali. Dhruvpal Godara comes once again. Dhruvpal Godara on his own line on a very quick pony. Dhruvpal Godara for Team India. His horse finding on him out there. And Harsh Piramal backs the ball. Beautiful backhand by Harsh Piramal. And you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There you have Harsh Piramal, ladies and gentlemen, taking the ball right from the right side all the way to the left side, being supported by Shamsher Ali and Salim Azmi, and ultimately Harsh Piramal, who made no mistake, backed the ball right through the center of the goal mouth. The pressure is on Team Argentina right now. They're taking the trophy away from Team Argentina, but they're still only in the third chapter. This could be anyone's integral part of the game. It is Benjamin Araya. His horse seems to be binding on him out there. Benjamin Araya looking for his backs. Benjamin has the ball with him. Benjamin going forward with the ball. With that, the chucker, the bell going just after the whistle was blown. I'm not too sure the umpires actually called it.
Okay. And there's just one more thing I need to tell you guys. We'll only come to you then. So all those interested, please go to one of the zones which have the Yes Bank and Harley Davidson boxes and deposit your entry so we can.
The last one is 7 minutes. And they change their horses at every chakkar, or is it after every two?
No, they actually change their horses maybe twice in every chuck. 2, 1 Pablo on the ball, leaves it for